Hello and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for beginner English listeners. Today, I want to talk to you about my daily routine. So let's get started. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I have breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter and drink coffee. After breakfast, I go to work. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. In the afternoon, I come home and relax. Sometimes I watch TV or read books. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After that, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you.